Welcome back channel. Today I'm going to be changing out rear gas struts on the hatchback of a 2013 Subaru Outback. And then you're going to remove the 210s right here, and then you're going to undo this nut right here, which looks like it's a 12. Do it on both sides. Okay, like I said, go ahead and pop these 210s out. This one's a 12 up here. Got the right and left one in place. I'm going to actually cut it to open it first. Actually, check the system a little. Just like that. Make sure they're all tight. Get all the foam components off of it. And now they work like they should. Pretty straightforward video how to install those rear hatch gas struts. If you haven't yet, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next videos.